To access the indicator, in Metatrader 4, you can register from this section. If you have registered before, enter your username and password in the login section, and by selecting the login button, you can access your MQL account. Here, you can view your account. From the View tab in the Terminal section under the Market and Utilities sections, you can see various trading tools. You can search for the indicator by typing in the name Risk, Reward, Ratio. By selecting the indicator file, you can download the indicator in this section. Download, open, and run the file. Select and drag the indicator file onto the chart. After downloading the indicator file, you can open and run the file in this section. In the next section, from the View tab, in the Navigator, select the indicator file, drag and drop it onto the chart, and confirm to run the indicator on the chart.